Hola, peoperinos.
Hey, what's happening, you guys? It's been a while.
It has. We've been so busy. Hola, peoperinos. I'm Cherry.
And I'm Gooch.
And Josie's in the other room. And welcome to this episode of the Disney Beans. But yes, it has been a while.
Thumbs up.
But yeah, we've had a lot going on, and it's just only getting busier and busier. With Josie's got cheer and dance and oh my god,
it's crazy.
The summer has not been any There's been like no relaxing whatsoever.
There's been no time.
Yeah, and you've got some bowling things going on and some other things going on, so we're just like, but
we're still thumbs up.
But we are in double digits, baby.
What are we, 97 days?
97 days
97 days until Disney World.
Yeah. So
with our friends that are coming to join us.
Yes, we're calling it the Magical Beams Walt Disney World Extravaganza.
Is it true that someone else may join us?
But I mean, Magical Moments is staying with us.
With us.
At
Saratoga Springs.
But we're also going to be seeing our friends, Mermaid and Jedi Adventures.
And we hope to see Morty Mouse while we're there.
Absolutely. We gotta
Morty Mouse, I'm calling you out. You
better be there, man.
We need to see, there needs to be a Morty Mouse sighting. I'm just saying.
We want to see Morty Mouse in the house.
Morty Mouse needs to be in the house.
Absolutely. Before we start the reason for the video, I'm absolutely heartbroken to announce that for our November trip vlogs, they're only going to be 3 days because
we had memory card issues.
One memory card was corrupted, and like when I loaded it onto the Mac, you can see there's a video there, and you can see the length of the video, but it has a question mark and says missing video.
But here's the upside.
No, I'm not done with the downside.
Oh.
2 memory cards will not load onto the Mac at all. I cannot get them to load no matter what. And it's the exact same memory card that I have used the entire time. So I don't know what is going on. Like if you put it in the camera, you can see that there are videos there. But if anyone's got any idea how I can get at least those 2 memory cards onto the Mac, like if I need to find someone with a regular PC and then like do video like a disc or something and load it onto the Mac that way, please let me know.
Because we'd like to have that footage.
Yeah, because I don't have a PC, so I can't. But we're devastated because we've lost memories, and not just entertainment for you guys, but we've lost memories, and we had such an amazing time on that trip. So.
But here's the good thing.
Yes.
We're going again in November, so we can make more memories.
Yes.
Thumbs up.
Indeed.
Thumbs up.
Way up. So
okay.
The reason for the video is
we got some mail.
What's in the box? Yes.
What's in the box?
Once again, it is our friends from Mickey's Mystery Box. So if you haven't watched one of our unboxings before, we are not sponsored by Mickey's Mystery Box. They do have a video of us on their website, but we are not sponsored. I pay for this. This is the Spoonful of Sugar. This is their small monthly box. All of their items come from the parks. So probably a lot of it comes from the
Character Warehouse.
The Character Warehouse.
We suspect. We don't know for sure.
But either way, they at one point were in the parks, if not. But you always get an incredible value for this. This particular box, Spoonful of Sugar, is $29.99 a month. And with shipping, it's around $40-ish.
And the value, as always, comes.
Yeah, we've had boxes that were upwards of like $60.
Yeah.
Before.
Not every box, but every box has exceeded the value.
Yes.
But not every box is that high end. So
yeah,
it's always over the value.
It's always over the value. But with that said, let's
see what's in the box.
Unbox the magic.
Hold on. As is tradition.
As is tradition. Here, we need to set this kind of down like this.
Well, you gave me a lot. What's up with that? Here,
but yeah, but see, you've got like a cool like new wave look going on. And
like
I
run
so far away.
It's almost like flock of seagulls.
Okay, we got something really...
No, maybe not that crazy. But...
Okay, we got something big in here we're going to have to unwrap. It keeps slipping out of my fingers. Let's see. Let's hold that till
that
may be a mug.
That feels like...
And we love mugs.
It feels like a stein.
Oh, a stein. Okay.
A stein.
All right, we'll open that one last. Oh, I'm pulling something out here. It's like, is this a scarf?
Is that Haunted Mansion?
It's a Haunted Mansion scarf! Oh, it's a loop scarf. Okay, so, yep, it is the Haunted Mansion. You can see the, it's from the wallpaper in Haunted Mansion. And see, now it looks kind of purple here, but like up close, like here it's like gray, but it looks purple on the screen. But I
know somebody's gonna be wearing that. Wearing it now.
I'm wearing it now. Calling it. Oh my god, this is awesome. Oh.
So is there value?
Yes, there
is.
It is. Oh. Well, now it looks.
The value of the box.
It's $24.99. So as you can see, see, look on the screen. It looks purple, but here it's gray, but gray and black. But yeah, like it's just that's so detailed. Oh my god, I'm like in love. I'm in love. That wasn't the only thing in the box, by the way.
Those were the only two things in the box.
Really?
Yes, but look at that.
It's like the castle. Look at that detail on the mug. Look at that. What's that?
Oh my gosh. That's the head cheese.
The Magic Magic
Kingdom 1971.
So it's like a Magic Kingdom stein.
It is a Magic
well, it's not
Kingdom.
stein because it doesn't have that.
It is a Magic Kingdom castle mug.
Okay, turn it back around so it says Walt Disney World, the Magic Kingdom. It's got 1971 because it's the year it opened.
And then it's got the Mickey compass.
And I love how it's got like the little sconces or whatever on the side here. Oh, and
that is $19.99.
Oh my God, this is.
Which is why there's only two things in the box.
But but there are two super duper awesome things.
I mean, you're talking $45.
I will wear this all year. I will wear this. I love loop
I doubt I'll be able to get her out of it.
Probably not. Well, you might be able to get me out of it. That's a different video.
That's not for this video.
So yeah, this was what, 20? This was
$24.99. This is $19.99.
This is $19.99. So once again, another freaking amazing. Mickey's Mystery
only two
Box.
items, but what quality items they were.
And feel this scarf. I love the texture on this scarf. Oh. Because I was going to get a Haunted Mansion loop scarf, but I didn't see one when we were there the last time, so I got the Minnie Mouse one. But
I bet this could hold all sorts of wonderful beverages.
I bet so. Some hot tea.
So that was a great box.
That was an amazing box.
Like I said, it didn't have the quantity of items in the box that we normally get.
The quality
is
wow,
amazing. That was awesome. Wow.
I want this. I love this. I love this scarf.
And this can go for our collection.
Absolutely.
The question is, which side do we put outward to see? We'll have to talk about that.
Maybe we have to alternate
Maybe we alternate it.
All right. So thank you for joining us for this another amazing unboxing. The trip vlogs will continue to come on Wednesdays. If I miss Wednesday, sorry, I'll put them out on Thursdays. We get busy.
Wednesday.
we get busy. Sorry, yeah.
Yeah.
We just got a lot of stuff going on. We will keep you informed on Disney trips. We'll try our best to do
a live stream
at some point, maybe on the weekends or something. But we get so busy through the week. But yeah, we are. This is awesome. Oh my God, I'm just like... Thank you, Mickey's Mystery Box.
Yes,
You're
thank
awesome.
You. Thank you very much.
Hey, Josie, you want to come and sign off? Help us sign off? She's watching Barbie's Barbie Life in the Dream House.
You want some on your head? You can have some.
Okay, got.
There you go. Oh, now you got some too.
Say hi, Jesse.
Hi, Jesus.
All right, how do we sign off?
What do you say to everyone?
Yeah! Peace! Wow!
That was Love, Peace, Rock, and a little bit of pixie dust.
Sung by King Diamond. So like she said, love, peace, rock, and a little bit of pixie dust.
I'm incredible.
See ya.
Right. Josie, say bye.
Thank you.
Oh. All right.
Go ahead.
Bye, guys. Well, see you real soon.
See ya.